How often should I optimize without overreacting? So when it comes down to optimizations, we would do this 3 times per week. And the reason for that is because you want to allow enough attribution time to settle in. We do have a 2 days attribution window when Amazon is going to collect the sales and the clicks and the orders. Usually the orders are the ones that needs to pick up with whatever spend it was. Spend it's usually something that would not change, would slightly change only, but when it comes down to sales, it's something that is going to change, so you're going to see a different percentage and you are allocating attribution for that. We would be using this strategy of optimizing 3 times per week. What you can also do is you can classify optimizations differently because you're asking how often should I optimize without overreacting? What are we optimizing? Are we optimizing bids? Are we optimizing campaign budgets? Are we optimizing for taking out negative keywords? Are we optimizing for harvesting? So those are all optimization techniques. And when it comes down to that, we would daily optimize for budget pacing, right? Making sure that we are in stock for our products and also making sure that there's no obvious bleeders on the account. Usually what's happening then in that situation is that the next day orders come in and it's going to stabilize the campaign itself. But really important when it comes down to budget pacing, that is going to be important for you because if you see that you have a good campaign that is performing well, is bringing you orders in below your break-even ACOS, wouldn't you want that campaign to get more budget? Would you wait for a whole week to have that data? You would not. So then you would do it on a daily basis. Now, on a weekly basis, or every 2 days basis, we're doing the bid optimization. Every week, we're doing the weekly harvesting, negating, and when it comes down to looking into specific placement modifiers, we actually would do this bi-weekly, so not weekly. Bi-weekly, because we're talking about that, or even monthly, we would be looking at the structure of the placements. Is there a specific portfolio goal? If there is a specific tacos review, that's why we to do it. And one rule of thumb here is to not have major bid cuts in products. And or when it comes down to, hey, we know clearly that this product is not profitable, we are going to cut down back on anything, pause rather than just make the bid lower. Why? Is because if we know clearly that a product is not being profitable and we're not getting quick enough to lower its bids, let's just, until I'm figuring out a way how to make this product more profitable, just pause the ads that are right now not working and we're not going to go anywhere with optimization in next week or so on, then it's when we would pause it. But kind of this is the strategy that we have.